Listen, wellness is life. Wellness hari pagi mengganas. Wellness hari eating healthy lagi. Wellness hari right portion sampai kali. Listen, wellness is life. Happy wellness is life. Listen, wellness is life. Ito ang bago and trust. Happy wellness is life.
Sa pagkain, magsama-sama, uminom ng gatas dahil wellness is life. Grow, foods na tama ang sukat. Maglalabas sa labas, mag-reduce, recycle, listen.
Listen, wellness is life. Wellness ay maging fit at active. Wellness ay washing hands at tama. Wellness ay pag-alaga sa planeta. Listen, wellness is life. Happy wellness is life. Listen, wellness is life. Ito ang bago ng trust.